anything a diver can do underwater to avoid a ship going into dry dock. If there was a way to do it, NAVSEA would find a way to do it, present it to the divers and the fleet. We put that idea to work and go, it works. We can do this safely without a ship going into dry dock, which is hundreds of thousands of dollars, man-hour times, when a dive crew could come in, set up station, knock it out, and satisfy the needs of the ship and the Navy to allow that ship to continue its mission without dry docking.